Long blocks of text are one way to convey information, but let's be honest. How many of you took one look at the Harrower textbook and let out a cheer when you saw it was filled with color pictures and short blocks of text? Isn't it easier to read than most of your other textbooks? To reach readers, be it for a class or for a newspaper, condense the data. Now, I don't mean dumb it down, just make it visually appealing so that it's easier to read. To do so, consider a fast facts box. This is a short form that distills the 5 W's into a concise package that highlights key facts or provides compelling data. If you were reporting on an upcoming city council meeting, your fast facts box would say what, when, and where the meeting is being held. Next, you have your bio box. This is a short form graphic that distills a person's biographical data into a box, usually to supplement a profile story. These are also helpful for stories covering speeches, where you can quickly provide details about your speaker without cluttering it up in the text of your story. Next is a checklist, a short form graphic that helps readers interact by providing an inventory of activities that they can check off as they complete the tasks. Planning a camping trip? Here's 10 things you must have, and 5 that you can leave at home. Next is the list, another short form graphic that compellingly displays data in a list form, such as a top 10 list. How about the 10 best summer camp movies of all time? Now you have the step-by-step guide. Again, a short form graphic treatment that simplifies a complex process by breaking it down into a logical series of steps, such as the 7 steps to filing for bankruptcy. You might also use a quiz. Again, short form treatment that allows readers to answer questions and participate in the stories. Should you file for bankruptcy? Answer these questions and find out. Next is the Factual Index. It's sometimes called a Harper's Index, named for Harper's Magazine that helped popularize the style. This presents statistics by having a setup in text, followed by the punchline in numerals. How many people file for bankruptcy in your state, in your city? How many file more than once? How much does it cost you? And how much does it cost banks and credit card companies? This is all information you can include in a factual index. Next is a diagram. It shows readers an example with pointers indicating the significant parts. What cuts of meat come from what parts of the cow? That's something a diagram could explain really well. Next, you have the quote collection. This presents a sampling of one person's opinion on a variety of topics, or a sampling of opinions on one topic from a variety of sources. In our example earlier on setting up a baby's nursery, that story on nursery lighting was just a collection of quotes from parents with their ideas under the headings, "What should I think about when choosing lighting for my baby's nursery?" and "What will I need for night feedings?" Then you have the timeline. This shows the passage of time as a straight line, with key events arranged in chronological order. These can be good for crime stories, showing the evidence timeline, or in any story where you want to include historical data.